सच्ची आज़ादी वही है जहां हर व्यक्ति को अपने सपने पूरे करने का समान अवसर मिले. बट what does freedom mean to you? Is it just the ability to make your own choices or something more deeper? Like having the courage to dream, to speak your mind, or to make a difference? Hi everyone, myself Aditi from a Non-Talks team, and today I'm here to share the importance of Republic Day and what it means to all of us. Let me take you back to 26th January 1950, a day that changed India forever. Our leaders had worked for years to create a constitution that gives every citizen equal rights, justice, and freedom. On this day, our first president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, said something powerful. हमारे संविधान ने हमें स्वतंत्रता, समानता और भाईचारे का उपहार दिया है, जिसे हमें बनाए रखना है. But Republic Day is not just about celebrating what happened in the past. It is about thinking of the future. What kind of India do we need to build? Or what can we do today to make our country better tomorrow? सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल once said, अगर देश के लोगों को एकजुट कर दिया जाए तो भारत की कोई ताकत उन्हें झुका नहीं सकती. This unity is what Republic Day stands for. It reminds us that despite differences in our traditions, languages, and culture, we are still one nation. And this unity gives us that strength. With great freedom comes great responsibilities. Our constitution gives us rights like right to freedom, freedom of speech, freedom of expression, and equality. But it also asks us to play our part as a citizen. It can be as small as helping a classmate conserving water or standing up against what's wrong. Because these small acts truly make a huge difference. As young Indians, we have the ability to create a change. Our leaders dreamed of an India where every person had a fair chance to succeed. Bhagat Singh once said, हमारा उद्देश्य सिर्फ स्वतंत्रता नहीं, बल्कि भारत के हर युवा को न्याय दिलाना है. But what can we do to honor the sacrifices of those who built the nation? Start by small. Taking the responsibility of your own actions, being kind and respectful towards others can truly help, because small changes truly makes a huge difference. Today, as we celebrate Republic Day, let's not just wave the tricolor flag or sing patriotic songs, but let's promise together to work for a better India. A Bharat where every person has a chance to dream and dream knows no boundaries. Before I end, I would like to say something my grandfather used to say. The time before independence was incredibly tough. He could not make his own choices or speak without fear. So today, let's remember those sacrifices and build a nation our leaders would be proud of. हम इस रिपब्लिक डे को कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डे भी कह सकते हैं, बिकॉज दिस इज द डे आवर गाइडिंग प्रिंसिपल्स केम इनटू लाइफ. आज के भारत का हर युवा अपनी ताकत पहचान कर इस भारत को नई ऊंचाइयों पर ले जाएगा. जय हिंद.